variables to assign many variables to a mul multiple values. So as you can see here, I just write it down here so that I won't forget. So which means that in the previous video we discussed a variable like a is equal to 10 or y is equal to 20 or z is equal to 40. So these are basically x, y, and z. They are actually variables, and the 10, 20, and 40, they are the values. So now we're going to see how we can make multiple variables and in one line with the multiple values. So that way, what we can do, for example, here, let me just show you this: x comma y comma z comma equal to 10, 20, and 30. To 20 and 30. So let me just comment these ones out. Okay, so now if we just print x, print y, or we print z. So here you go. Now you can see x is equal to 10 and the y is equal to 20 and the z is equal to 30. So it's the same way we can use multiple, like 3 variables in 3 lines, or we can just use 3 variables in 1 line and put a same value. So just remember here, if you have 3 variables, you have to make sure you assign 3 values here. If you have 4 variables, make sure you assign 4 values. If you have 5 variables, make sure you assign 5 values. For example, here I can give extra variable. Let's see what happens. So you see it's already highlighted it, which means it's going to give an error. So let's see what the error is. So value error, not enough values to unpack. So see, as it says, not enough values. So basically expected 4 values got 3. So these are the values and we have only 3, and if you need 4 values. So now I'll put the 4 values. Let's print this again. And here, okay, but I need to print it here as well. Print, so what's the value a, variable a. If we're going to do this one, and now you can see 10, 20, 30, and 50. Okay, that that's how we do many variables and many values in one line. I hope you understand, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.